everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 1 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 118, Pascal Triangle. Let's read the problem statement. Given an integer num-rows, we have to return the first num-rows of Pascal's triangle. In Pascal's triangle, each number is the sum of the two numbers directly above it. Okay, so initially we have this one, right? Okay, so here 1 and 1. Okay, this one. All right, and now next time we have 1 1. Okay, so this one we have to keep here, this one we have to keep here, and what is the sum of these two? 2. Okay, so we have to keep this 2 here. Okay, done. Now see this 1 to 1. Okay, so first number this, last number this, and now 1 2 sum is 3, so I am writing 3 here, and then this 2 1 sum is 3 and I am writing it here. Okay, so we are going to get this 1 3 3 1. Okay, now again, now just see this 1 3 3 1. Okay, first number place it here, the last number place it here. Now here sum of above two numbers 1 and 3, 4 I'm writing here. 3 plus 3 6 I'm writing here. 3 plus 1 4. Okay, 4 I'm writing here. Okay, so this problem is actually very important. Okay, many times in interview they will ask such easy problems. Okay, what is Pascal's triangle and how to write the code for this. Okay, they will ask these simple questions during interviews. Okay, mostly during campus placements. Okay, so here what you need to do, so see this example number 1, nums rows is equal to 5, so we need 5 rows. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so this is our output. Okay, 1 then 1 1 then 1 2 1 then 1 3 3 1 and 1 4 6 4 1. Okay, so this is nothing but list. Okay, and this list contains list of integers. Okay, so this is how we need to return the output. Okay, and if nums rows value is equal to 1, then just simple 1. Okay, so here if you see the constants, num rows is always going to start from 1. Okay, clear, right? So how you are going to solve this problem? So we can use the array list. Okay, so let's suppose this is my cur. Okay, this is my cur array list. In this cur I'm going to add 1 directly. Okay, because in the constant is always given that number rows is starting from 1 only, right? So initially just add 1 and just add this one in the result also. Okay, once you did this, okay, then after that what you need to do, then create a new array list. Okay, in the new array list first add this element. Okay, 1, and then after that add the we have to check the middle elements. Okay, like 1 plus 1. Okay, 2, that is not the only single element is there, so we don't need to do add anything in the mid, but in the end again you have to add 1. Okay, right here this is what we were doing, right? First and last. Okay, and just add this 1 and 1 here. Okay, right, in the result. Okay, now next time take this as your curve. Okay, and then we have to create one new array list. Okay, 1 starting, now in between these two elements are there, 1 1. Okay, so just summation of these two 2. Okay, and just place the end element here one more time. Okay, just place here 1 2 1. That's it. Okay, so when I'm going to write the code, you will get better understanding. Okay, then take this, and in this also first element place second element, and now in between just run one loop. Okay, 1 2 sum is 3, just place 3 here. Okay, 2 1 sum is also 3, just place it here, and then just move to this to the result. Okay, so let's write the code. Very simple, nothing complex. Okay, so here this is your Pascal triangle, right? So see how numbers are forming. Okay, very good representation here, right? 3 3 6, 3 plus 1 4. Okay, so this is fixed. Okay, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, right? So each number is the sum of the two numbers directly above it. Okay, so here what you need to do, very simple. Okay, I'm going to write very simple code. Okay, so here list of integer. Okay, and here I'm going to say cur, and here I'm just going to initialize. Okay, this array list, new array list, this is done. Okay, and then I'm just going to create one more list of integer and the result. Okay, final result we need to give it like this, right? New array list. Okay, this is done. Then after that, here if you see the constant num rows is equal to 1 to 30. Okay, 1 is given, right? So what I'm going to do in my curve, I'm going to add this one. Done. Okay, and I'm adding this one in my curve. Okay, in the final result also one is there, right? Okay, this one is there. So I'm going to add this curve to my final list as well. Okay, so here I'm just going to write result dot add curve. Okay, this is done. Now after that, one time is done. Okay, num rows is equal to 5, one time is done. Now num rows is equal to 4. Okay, so I'm going to run one while loop here. While num rows minus 1, okay, is not equal to 0. Until then I have to run this while loop. Okay, in this while loop I'm going to create a new array list. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, and let's say this is nothing but next. All right, so in the next, what you need to do, we need first element, this first element, and we need the last element also. Okay, 1 and 1 here, 1 and 1 here. Okay, so here you can simply do one thing. You can write next dot add here cur dot get the element at 0 index. Okay, from the cur, right? And I need the last element as well. Next dot add, and here cur dot get element at n minus 1. Okay, this is what I can write here, right? First and last element we need. All right. Okay, so here in between what we need to do, so in between I want to form this one to one. Okay, so I am forming this from 1 1. Okay, for first and last I know. Now in between I need to iterate. Okay, so previous is nothing but my curve. Okay, so I'm going to get the length of this. So int n is equal to curve dot size. Okay, this is done. Now here inside this, just iterate all the elements. Okay, int I is equal to 1, I is less than n, I plus plus, and here inside this, in the next you have to add, but you have to add cur dot get element at I minus 1. Okay, plus cur dot get element at index I. Okay, this is done. So we have added the mid elements as well. Okay, so I'm starting from here, 1 plus 1 2. Okay, that's it. So here if you see 1 2 1, so here I'm starting from 1. Okay, so 2 plus 1 3, then I reach here 1 plus 2 3, I added this. Okay, and in the end here I'm adding the last element. Okay, so once this is done, now I'm just going to update my cur as next. Okay, for the next step. Okay, and here in the result I'm going to add this new cur. Okay, whatever the cur that I have formed now. And once this is done, I am going to decrement the num rows minus minus. Okay, this is done. And here in the end I am simply going to return the result. Okay, now let me just minimize the screen. Okay, this is your code, that's it. Okay, now let's run it. So see, all the test cases has been accepted. Okay, now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? Okay, so now here you can do one more thing. See here, first and last element is always 1, right? So if you don't want to write this, you can simply here write 1 only. Okay, right here if you don't want to write this, because first and last element in the Pascal triangle, if you notice here, is always 1. Okay, now if I just run it again and let's see, all the test cases has been accepted, right? Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.